Hello there, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and join the family, okay? Oh, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I so much appreciate it, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, so this hairstyle is a very simple one. I actually woke up very early in the morning, around 5:30, I guess, to make this simple hairstyle of my baby girl. As you can see, she's actually sleeping, so I had to literally drag her out of her room to create this simple hairstyle so she can go to school with it. And please don't mind my video quality right now. I actually filmed this video with my phone. So what I did here was to divide the hair into two equal parts from the middle, all right, to the back. Then half of the hair I also divided again into 4 parts. Then from the back, I threaded the root with Brazilian wool, okay, African wool. Let me put it that way. And if you can't get it around you, you can as well go with a sewing thread. It will still get the work done. Yeah. So that's the first stage of the hair. So as we proceed, I will also explain. Okay. Okay guys, so the second stage here is to apply water on the hair to soften the hair, all right, and then divide it into 3, then braid it halfway. Okay. Cut a very long thread, all right, and fold it into 4. Then add part of the thread to where you stopped the braiding and thread all the way down, all right, to the length you want. And along the way, if the thread is not enough, you can as well add more thread to get to the length you want it to be. Okay.